This is the SQ11 Full HD 180p Mini DV. Now it claims to be capable of doing 1080p. It's questionable, but it does default to the 720p in the dash cam mode. And that means that just applying power through the 5-volt port turns the camera on, which is a really handy thing to do because the little buttons get a little tiresome when you're trying to use it in situations where you can't think very clear. I've set this up at the 5-foot point, and I'm trying to find out where I can get a good resolution. I like using this camera for doing wildlife, and recently I was trying to see a lizard digging a hole, and it was a big blur the entire time. So I'm going to find out how far away I have to be before the resolution is clear enough on this. So I'm going to take this in 1 foot increments and see how the resolution is. Right now it's at 5 feet, and I'm going to go ahead and move this to the 4 foot. This is at the 4 foot distance. This is at the 3 foot distance. This is at the 2 foot distance. And this is at the 1 foot distance. Further testing in 1 inch increments. This starts off at 12 inches at this point. This is 11 inches. This is at 10 inches. This is at 9 inches. This is at 8 inches. This is at 7 inches. This is at 6 inches. This is at 5 inches. This is at 4 inches. It seems the 2 foot point is the sweet spot. When you're looking right in the center, it's hard to tell, but as you look towards the outside areas, they go pretty blurry pretty fast. Now, this is really only a problem if you're trying to get really close to something, like as I was doing with the wildlife. When you go further back, it stays fairly clear, but the items are pretty small. So the sweet spot seems to be about 2 feet for using for wildlife. Now, most of your people are using this for other situations like a car, or RC planes, or cars and such like that. I'll post this on the RC forums. If you have any information that is contrary to what I'm saying here or can help us, please put it in the comments below. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe and share this video to help disabled animals with donated wheelchairs.